little turnout to the exhaust, but that's what it sounds like. Pretty sick. Highly recommend. He recommends. Big help there. See, the fitment is superb. It's not contacting anywhere. All the hangers line up great. Perfect with the flange. Alright, so today I'm going to be installing this Dynovox 5-inch exhaust on the 3rd gen Cummins truck. I had a stack on this thing for a while, and then I built a pre-axle dump, and I hate it. So gonna get it exiting out back so it stops filling my truck with soot and my trailer. So that'll be nice. Get this thing unboxed. Alright, looks like we got everything. Nice fat 5-inch downpipe. Looks like it has some slight extra bends in it for clearance around the trans cross member. That's nice because I haven't seen that before from other brands. And it is very tight, especially with a 5-inch. What do you think, Pumpkin? Got all the clamps. Pretty nice, heavy duty. How's it look? All right, so here is the current axle dump right now. As you can see, it looks pretty obnoxious and it sounds obnoxious. Sounds really good actually, but it soots up everything behind the truck, and it also resonates pretty loud in the cab. I've even done some sound deadening on the back firewall. I guess it's not a firewall, but the back wall there, and it helps. But since I did the big tip axle dumped, it is definitely still loud in there. And as you can see, my truck is pretty much constantly filthy, and my white enclosed trailer gets covered in it. So got to make a change. I just did a different setup on my 12 valve truck, and it was a huge improvement. I was running the exact same setup as I am on here, so that truck was getting filthy all the time as well, and now it doesn't because I have it kicking out back here. I've actually modified it so it comes out at an angle and dumps out right about flush with the rear tire, so it keeps it off the truck nicely. Oh, hi, Dolores. Or wait, you're not Dolores. Who the hell are you? You're brown. All right, the old exhaust is off. This bad boy was barking. Just a little too messy. Starting to string up all the new stuff. Pretty excited about this. Have to give this thing a nice wash afterwards. All right, just got the downpipe installed. This is a view from the top. Can't really see it. It's nice and shiny. Anyways, the fitment is phenomenal compared to all the other downpipes that I have installed. It's nice and tight to the frame. Lots of clearance over the cross member. A lot of them don't seem to have this little kink here for clearance. That helped a lot. And this thing's long too, and it still snaked in right over the cross member here. As you can see, the fitment's nice. They have that stock mount there for a hanger. I don't actually have that hanger anymore, but as you can see, the fitment is superb. It's not contacting anywhere. Super nice. Way stoked about it. The old one is right here. I actually had to, first off, the old one had, I don't even remember what brand, but I had to chop the V-band off, weld on my stock one. I had to chop the pipe in half there to get the proper angle out of it through there. Yeah, that was a fun install. Not ideal. All right, just got everything buttoned up. Fits real nicely over the axle. Rear section comes out right where it should. I'm going to extend it a little bit, a few inches, to keep it up farther out off the truck. Underneath here, as you can see, fits nicely over the axle. All the hangers line up great, perfect with the flange. Got our clamps here. Nice and tight all the way up to the frame rail. It's not sagging at all. Nice straight shot back to the axle back section. These clamps are super nice. Definitely a high quality piece of exhaust here. Fits much better than previous brands I've used. Highly recommend. He recommends. Big help there. Big help there. Get some sound clips here. First, I'm going to weld up my extension on the tip, and I'll get it out on the ground. Alright, I added a little turnout to the exhaust, but that's what it sounds like. Pretty sick. Now I can wash this thing.